Well, Andy, you want to do this? Just hold it and point it and shoot it. It's a point and shoot day.
Cameraman.
Cameraman, baby.
Take 48.
Take 488.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
You watch YouTube, Vinny?
Oh yeah.
Smile, you're on it. Oh man, you can't pick it up from the other end. That's why I told the FedEx guy to come here.
He might be.
I didn't want
Hey,
to
we
drive
got
it.
2 blocks we can put on
I don't want to
the
drive the
outside.
payload anyway. You got some blocks? My tow motor's supposed to be here Monday.
Oh really?
I finally got one.
What's Andy thinks the heaviest?
That end.
That end.
The motor.
Yeah, we might have to stand on its side.
We'll see. We'll see how good of an operator he is. You got to watch that and make sure it don't
Down.
don't punch my tire now. Everybody in the world's gonna see this.
You need blocks on the back.
No, I don't need no blocks. I'm gonna ride it off.
Yeah, forget.
Oh, for you to get it off. Yeah, you do, don't you? Take it out. Push your forks right in and push it. That's perfect. Oh.
Hey, can't believe that for him to ride. Don't get in the camera and get the number.
I just hope we ain't supposed to drive it off forward.
Why?
It ain't no way we can pick it up. It's kind of heavy in it.
You still got that motor jack?
I think I screwed that up. What kind of cameraman are you? You need to be over here getting into action. Look, see what's up.
So we mess up, we do it right.
Yeah.
ICG, baby. Yeah, go get it.
And pick it up, set that wood up on it, then I will put the gate on it and I'll just drive it straight off.
Yeah.
All right, cut. Red button on the top. The other red button on the very top right. So we figured out you're supposed to come off the front with this thing. Of course, we figured that out after we tried it the other way. We don't read the instructions around here.
Cut all them boards out.
No, I got a board that's coming up here to come on up a little bit more.
Yeah, up more.
I got a board that wants this for a deer stand.
Got it. Because we're on the boards now.
Yeah, it's on the boards now. I'm just gonna drive it off. Somebody could get that.
We gotta
gate.
get the ramp.
The ramp, the gate.
Yeah.
Alright, hang you on the camera,
You don't want them to know that you're working.
They might hit me with the top.
That's right. Oh, they gonna come find you, boy.
Law gonna find him anyway.
Can't afford no child support right now.
They gonna find you.
I mean,
That's
that'd be
a little drop right there.
That'd be
I
smart.
wonder if what if we ought to stick something in between that right there?
Yeah. Here's one.
The other one's sitting right in front. Is that gonna fit in there?
Heck no, it's too big.
Just get them little ones. I
That's
think
what I said. Bruce said, grab the big one.
Grab the big.
it's probably gonna crack.
Get that one.
I'm gonna get off.
hey, turn the nails
down.
Turn the nails over. I mean, I was going to.
No, you.
Get that. Hey, that's my trailer. No, just don't worry about that. Just turn the nails down.
Brand new trailer.
Yeah, it's my dang trailer.
That's on
Easy.
camera too.
I think I can jump over that. Put that down there. On the front tire.
Yep. No. Yep. Right there.
Pretty fast, ain't it?
Yeah, a little joke.
A heck of a lot faster than that X-Mark. They got a button right here that when it's in the middle, it won't do nothing. So like when you're going on and off a trailer, riding down the street, you put it in the middle, and then one way, it keeps it up. And when you hit the pedal, it goes down, okay? This way, it keeps it down, and when you hit the pedal, it goes up. And you have to keep your foot on the pedal to hold it up, like it's on that now. Just depends on which way you get used to. If you're in a big yard, you use it this way, and you ain't got to keep your foot on there. You just go, and then when you want to pick it up and turn around, then you hit the button, drop it. Choo, good. Yes, I know that we unloaded it the wrong way. You're supposed to drive the thing off the front, not the back. So, oh well. Nobody got hurt, the machine's not damaged, it's off the trailer, it's in my shop, it's good to go. No worries, live and learn. I'm supposed to get another one of these sometime before the fall. We'll pick one up, and then I'm actually get their 30-inch model as well. So we'll kind of have a new setup on our seating trailers, seating crews, and crew will have a plugger, an aerator, a spreader, and if it calls for, we'll have a walk behind plugger too. But I'm excited about this thing. No chains. That's what they advertise, and that's the reason I bought the thing. I got sick and tired of those X-Mark chains needing adjusting constantly, popping and all kind of crap just going wrong with them. And again, I'm not throwing X-Mark under the bus. I've got a sea of red in this shop. I love X-Mark. I've had them for years. But I'm also getting over my OCD or my pride that I don't have to have all red machines in here, okay? Exmark's not the only brand out there, so that's why I kind of ventured out and checking out some new companies, and I saw this thing at the GIE and I had to have one. It was that impressive to me. So this is the Quad-Aer 3600 Stinger. It's 36 inches wide. The actual plugging width is 36 inches wide. The machine's probably more like 48-ish or so wide total from outside to outside of the tires. Of course, they make a smaller unit, the 30-inch, which will be a smaller frame. That'll be more comparable to the Exmark frame or the Toro frame, whichever one. And I'm excited about it. There's no chains. It's all hydraulic. So obviously if something goes bad, you can't just really replace a hydraulic hose out in the field, but that's kind of the trade-off. You get, I think, less maintenance, longer use, but when something does break, it's probably a little bit bigger deal. So we'll just kind of see how that goes. And I do have a few places I need to do some spring aeration, and we'll take this thing out and do that, and I'll make some videos on it and all that kind of thing. But y'all check them out. It's a well-built machine, solid. It's got a big old engine on it, plenty of horsepower for this size. The hydros go up and down super duper quick. It's very fast, and I kind of like this time control to where you can set it in the transit button, where I can't tell you the hundreds of times we would accidentally hit the little foot plate on the Exmark, and that time would go down. You might be in a driveway or on a trailer or in wherever you didn't want the times to go down, it would go down. You can put this thing in transit mode and it kills that to where it won't go up and down when you're just riding around. And then it's got the two different ways you can hold the button and keep the tines down, or hold the button and keep the tines up. So it's a pretty neat little setup. But excited about it. It's nothing like new equipment. You all know by now I'm an equipment junkie. I do have a problem, and I'm willing to admit it. So I guess that's the first step to getting better. But I love the equipment. I love providing my employees with really good quality equipment so they don't have to work as hard. That's that, along with providing the quality to the customer, that's really the reason I am an equipment junkie, is to help my employees out, and so that our work in the yards show it, because we have good equipment to do the job with and do it right. So there you go. All right, so hey, get your Stinger right, subscribe to the channel, all that cool stuff, and things are gonna be cranking up here for long, and we'll get at it. So check you later.